What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mark Sauce and I'm back with another banger video, man. Well, we meet again. So originally, y'all, this video was never ever supposed to drop, but after further review of talking it over with my team, aka Instagram, y'all wanted it. So a lot of this footage is probably going to be raw and uncut, just pure footage of me and my friend group having fun, going out, touring the city. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy the content. Leave a like, also comment and subscribe for me if you haven't already, and we're gonna get straight into it. Hey gang. The door on my coochie is crazy. What the fuck? Hey, Beto. It's on the other side.
Yeah, we outside.
What's going on, y'all? We vlogging tonight. Twin, what we doing?
Hey, what'd he say? I need a freak bitch who don't give a fuck.
We vlogging tonight. Fuck it.
We going to the store?
I want to get on that scooter, bro.
Yeah, we can.
Get on the scooter, it's crazy. You rich as hell.
Oh my God, everybody just split the pole. Everybody split the pole.
Come back around.
Yana, come back around. I'm super.
Y'all tripping. Splitting the pole is crazy.
I was about to. Cause it's a little, what is it? He got a bottle with 3 sips in it.
Oh God.
Let me give a sip of that though. Then he got a bottle with 3 of them.
Let me get one of the last 3 sips.
Can I get the second one?
Let me get the second one, guys.
I already called the second one for. I already called the second one for. I ain't even hear it. Because Milagro. You say gonna make you do what you say. I'm scared. Oh, get this shit. Somebody, anybody. And we're outside, with the gang, with the guys, everybody. What's this for? This nigga wanna be doing tricks and shit. I can't even get him. Look at him.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie. I did that shit in a minute because I was like a kid.
You just tried to jump, what you?
Do it again. She said, konnichiwa. Hold on. I said, pardon, my friend. You got Combsio in your pocket? I want to do a curl. I care about it, but I don't care about it too much. I want the curl now. Look at my shirt. Look at my shirt. Look at my shirt. Sorry. Play, show him your shirt. Right.
Everybody show him your shirt.
Don't hug me. Don't hug me, bitch. Who he walking to? Relly and them right here. He said he on the first string. The first, I can't even talk. The first swing. That's that shot. I can't even talk right. Relly! Bring your ass in now. Screlly? Hey, Screlly! Bring your ass in the house. Screlly?
The street lights on.
Screlly! How you let the street lights beat you before you got home? Screlly! Say hi to the vlog. Say what's up. I have a confession. Hey guys. I tap up with your shirt.
Hey, hit that bitch to it. Hey, that nigga was too turned. Hey, I'm weak as hell.
Well, maybe when you start feeling groovy, y'all go crazy.
What's wrong with you? Why you be dissing yourself?
I swear.
Hit that bitch. Hey, hit that bitch. Hey, hit that bitch.
That's the only part I know.
Yeah, OG. We going to A Twin.
So what you got? Hey yo, we thugging. You know,
We out here on my
and
mama.
shit.
We out here with the gang and shit on my mama.
Drinks, you feel me?
On my mama, they got the little, yeah.
Today gonna be a good day, man. Or a good night, shall I say.
2 hours later.
I ain't got no more cash.
Yeah, we waiting for our friends. Gang in the back.
Yeah, that's all.
I'm gonna wait for my girls.
Cause we gotta go get the bottles.
Here. Talk to our YouTube.
It's our YouTube. Shit, man. What's up with it, man? We calling it Zaze from now on.
What you did?
We got motherfucking. How you put this motherfucker? You
Can't. It's not Snapchat.
Oh, this is alright shit. I ain't gonna lie. We got motherfucking. You know
Bro,
what I'm
this is my phone. I need to come on.
saying? Motherfucking Zaze.
Well, my phone got Cash App, so they take Cash App now. Alright, go
Oh wait, I really want shaking ass. Don't put that on my name.
Who we sending this money to?
Hell yeah.
Send it to the cougar.
Otis.
To the
I thought you said Otis.
Put your cash in the cougar.
Like Otis.
He said, send it to the cougar. Hey, who's the cougar? Come on, Relly, come on.
No.
Yeah, you cheat ass nigga. Cheat ass nigga.
Bro, yo, big headed ass. You doing the most, bro. You doing the most. You just lay walking behind me. I'm finna go.
Bro, come on, go! Bro, I tweet. All right, it's my turn.
He picked up
Oh,
a
fuck.
card. Go.
Oh, fuck. I gotta pick up. Hold on, I gotta pick up. I gotta pick up. All right, go ahead. It's on you. It's on you, Kinaya. She skipped buddy ass. Come on, it's your turn, Kaya. Come on. She skipped you. Damn.
Go out of here.
I got some.
Go,
Man,
Don't reverse
goddamn
shit back.
wild card.
Uno.
Fuck you talking about?
Ah. Oh my mama, I did not hear her say Uno. Oh my mama, I did not hear her say Uno. He perfect. He got 2 cards. Oh, he did not say Uno. He did not say Uno. Oh my mama, he did not say Uno. He did not say Uno. I did not hear Uno. He said it first. Oh my mama, he did not say Uno. Hey. Oh my mama, he did not say Uno.
I said it.
Next person. Somebody
He
whack
said
his
it, but
ass.
he said the color
Yana,
is blue.
it's up to you.
I said it while he
Get his ass.
Come on, ladies, fuck it. Yeah, there we go. Wow. Hey, Lay, what the fuck going on, Lay? Lay, what the fuck going on? Like, come on. Do you know how to play Uno? He just got her a dub. I mean, she just got him a dub. Man, fuck y'all, man. Oh.
Who the fuck put it in the middle of the ground? That's what you get.
Hey, y'all comedy on, bro.
What is it? Yo.
Oh, y'all toxic as hell. Y'all getting a no collar ID. Uh-oh. Oh, my mama, these shits is ass.
nigga.
These I got them racks. My mama, we had them racks on us. Or, throw the cards is crazy.
The one card you trying to put down.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
I don't know.
Fuck you.
That's crazy. Hey, I'm weak as hell.
She was gonna fuck somebody up.
Give me one of them.
Hey, this what happen when you get drunk and then play Uno.
She was gonna fuck somebody up.
Hey, on my life, they comedy.
Fuck you up.
Hey, Kaya, how you feeling, gang? You lit? How y'all feeling? Hey, Beto, how you feeling, gang? How you feeling, gang? Hey, Kaya, how you feeling, gang? Yeah. How you feeling, Relly? How you feeling? You feeling all right? Cause that's the whole point.
How you feeling, Mark? How you feeling?
You gotta look closer, yeah. I was just gonna say.
How you feeling, Mark?
Alright, damn. Alright, man, fuck y'all. Fuck y'all then. Fuck y'all. How the fuck you feeling, Keith? How the fuck is you talking about? Fuck is y'all talking about? How you feeling, twin? How you feeling, twin? How you feeling, twin?
I'm blue and I'm acting drunk.
Hey, he's talking I'm acting drunk. How you feeling, like? How you feeling? Tell me how you feeling. You feeling good? Heard you. How you feeling, Kenai? How you feeling? How you feeling? Great. Heard you. Hey, Gay.
Trash.
Hey, run that bitch back.
Stupid.
Hey. Come on, Gay. Yeah. Ooh.
Are you ready?
He get your ass, Ellie. I ain't go first.
No, we even.
Oh, okay.
It's 3-3.
Okay, it's 3-3. It's 3-3. Come on, break it right here.
Ready?
Hold on. Y'all gotta come up over here. Hold on.
He said, bring it to the street. Bring it to the street.
Oh my God. He too old his ass.
You want to rap?
Hold on. Go ahead, Gay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Damn.
Let's go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Trash. Got it back.
We tagged.
Let's go. He talking about no.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock.